Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove unwanted apps from an Android phone, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, start from your home screen. To access the app drawer, swipe up from the bottom of your display. This will reveal all the apps installed on your device. Step 2. Now that you're in the app drawer, locate the app you want to delete. Once you've found it, tap and hold the app icon. Step 3. After holding the app icon, you should see an option that says Uninstall. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 4. Next, confirm the uninstallation by tapping on the Uninstall option once more. This will remove the app from your phone immediately. Step 5. If the app you selected doesn't have an uninstall feature, don't worry. Instead, tap and hold the app again. Step 6. Now, look for the App Info option that appears and tap on it. This will open a settings menu for the app. Step 7. In the app's settings menu, find the Disable option near the bottom of the screen, then click on it. Step 8. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Disable App again. This will disable the app, making it inactive on your home screen. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted apps from an Android phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.